Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing Beyblade X, CX-09, SolEclipse. Hopefully you can get a secondary one. Okay. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, this is heavy, another heavy bay. Can't wait for this. That's cool.
Harry was not surprised. It was only then that he realized he had neglected to pay attention to the professors and looked under the table. With a shock, he recognized the red hair and green eyes of his mother, Lily.
Okay, oh shit. Trans kick. Probably gonna be another one of my favorites. I colors because one of my favorite combos.
They weren't planning on having to replace their brakes today, but they went to AutoZone, where a friendly AutoZoner.
Here's the first form. And next, let me take this apart. Come on.
Sitting at the table. What's Lily doing here? He asked the four next to him. Muggle Studies Professor, Theo said helpfully. It's an elective course in third year, so you don't have to worry about it. But be careful, she can still take points off and the whole deal. Harry snorted and looked again. And this time, she was staring intently back at him, studying him almost curiously. He scanned the table a bit further and found that most of the professors had a funny quirk to them, and asked for each of their names. Professor Flitwick was the diminutive charms professor. McGonagall, the stern.
There you go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.